Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. You join me on a cold, rainy Saturday morning. I'm on my way to take the car to the workshop. So we need to do a little bit of maintenance on it. So one of the CV boots tore, the one on the gearbox side, and there's a little bit of oil seeping out of the boot. So Jamil's going to replace that this morning and just look over the car. We are planning to race next weekend at Killarney. There's a street to strip event and really excited to put the car on the strip, but we just want to make sure that it's all good. So he's going to give it a once over, maybe fit the fire extinguisher that I got and some other things. So before we get into that, I had the car on the dyno about 2 weeks ago. We tried to raise the RPM, and I'll insert that footage now.
This thing sounds aggressive. Much better draft and more power. That thing is moving. So the Mark II is going on the dyno quickly. Andrew just wants to see where it's limiting. When I just raised the limiter to like 7172.
So I actually didn't talk about what happened. So we tried to raise the RPM, and for some reason it wasn't really going much higher. So Andrew couldn't figure out why it wasn't going above 7,000. I think it stopped at about 6.9 or something. So that was where the limit is at. I think Jamil's going to look at it today, and he said he wants to see if we can get more boost out of it and see if it'll make more power, because I think it's maxed out as it is. Let's see if my wipers work. Okay, my wipers do work. So I think it's like we maxed out on the N75 as well. So you'll see if we can get some more boost out of it.
Update on what's happening. Jamil just checked CVs, replaced one CV boot that was torn, and they are connecting up vehicle speed to the ECU so that we'll be able to mess around with boost by gear on the strip. I just want to pull a bit of boost out of second, maybe out of first as well. Third is boosting fine, so I'll probably leave it as it is in third. So hopefully this will help me run a better time with these 3 tires. They are also currently working on the idle control. So the idling is a bit funny on the car. It needs some tweaking. So they're just checking what they can do. Okay guys, we are going out to check if boost by gear is working. Is the car warm?
It should be. Well, I can tell you that it's not working. Not even in the slightest.
It's like, how much boost do you want? Oh, all of it.
Yeah, just take
all of it is fine.
Vehicle speed's working perfectly though.
Oh, at least something's working great. Should maybe get some wipers going.
Just silly.
At least now it'll spin in third.
Yeah, that's a valid point. I think they'll pull up the bridge from the other side, just in third. We can get a good load. Oh, that's so good. Oh, sorry, boost by gear is working.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's working very well, actually.
Really?
I wasn't looking properly.
Oh. But I won't be able to hit third.
I think just do a pull first, and then second, and then third, and we can check the load to see what the boost stop is at.
Wipers, what are you doing?
Yeah, it works perfectly fine. 0.7 second. 0.6 in first, so it's on gate. It's on gate in second.
Nice.
But remember, because first and second oscillate, I think it'll be in 0.7 in first as well. Because it's not sure what gear it's in really.
I guess it's okay, isn't it?
Yeah, it should be fine. Obviously it's wet now,
So Andrew's just checking if we can activate launch control. Just to see if it does actually help with the strip. I'm probably going to control it myself. But if it works well, then why not? But just low boost. What do you think we should be the limit on
just depends on how much boost it's going to build at the ignition retard that I'm setting it at. So hopefully it's not too much, because yeah, stock rods guys, stock rods. Yeah, I think that should be it.
I'm gonna test it.
Yeah. Don't have to launch it, we can just...
Yeah, just to...
Yeah, we'll just do it there in the Bundus, because...
Do you think it's a bit rude to do it here?
Yeah. Okay, hard in the clutch, hard in the accelerator. 0.1 bar. But obviously we don't want to... We don't want to bolt too much. And try now.
That went to like 5.5 ish. Why would it do that?
Yeah, go for it. Okay, try again. 0.2. Again. Popping this back. Okay. Oh, again.
That seems more like it.
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to have the limiter. Okay, one more. Yeah, like 0.1 bar. It's not building anything more than that because I think it's too low. But just as a test, I'm not going to set it to this, but there you go.
Is that 5,000?
Mm.
Okay, so it goes to 6, drops down to 5. That's...
Yeah, it's because the needle's slow. It's not
Okay.
like a modern stepper motor. So just hold it there for like 3 seconds. There we go.
Are you mad?
0.3 bar.
Are you mad? What the So I just tried to take pictures and try and get like a thumbnail with a flame, and every time it shot, the camera shot off it, like it missed.
Oh man.
And I set it in like high, like shooting, oops,
Fine, let's go. Doesn't really matter.
like a high shooting mode, and I missed every single flame.
Yeah, so I set it back to 4100. So it's just a soft limiter. Soft launch limiter basically.
Yeah, no, that should be fine.
So if you do launch at the track, you can at least use it to hold RPM. Whereas you probably can't launch low in this car, or bog.
Yeah, I was thinking about launching at like 3, starting off at 3 or just at 3.2,
Yeah.
and then taking it up from there.
Well, let me set it to 3.2 so long, so that when we get to the track, then at least you have a...
Like a baseline to start from. Yeah, that'll be cool. Because then there's like one less thing to like think about.
Yeah.
It's actually so cool seeing the wagon rolling. Third gear pull. and it's awesome. It's so crazy the amount of accidents on the road. Like, wet roads really mess people up good and proper. So we just finished getting the car ready for Killarney. I'm really excited, looking forward to it. Really hoping to get lower 13s. Like, my draggy test was a 13.8, so it should run a better time, especially with a good few passes under my belt. Guys, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.